Did you know that your tongue is like a mirror to your internal health? Shocking, right? In traditional Chinese medicine, your tongue is one of the first places we check to uncover imbalances in your body long before they turn into major symptoms. Today, I want to show you how your tongue might be telling you the story of your health and longevity. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern wellness. If you've ever wondered why acupuncturists or herbalists ask you to stick your tongue out, you're about to learn why this simple practice holds such powerful insight into your well-being. Now, your tongue is a health map. In traditional Chinese medicine, or TCM, your tongue isn't just for taste. It's a diagnostic tool. Different regions of the tongue correspond to different organ systems. So, for example, the tip of the tongue correlates to the heart and lungs. The center correlates to your stomach and spleen, which is your digestion and metabolism in our system. The sides are the liver and gallbladder, and the back of your tongue relates to your kidneys and reproductive health. So when I look at your tongue, I'm seeing a real time reflection of how your internal systems are functioning. Now, what about the color of your tongue? A healthy tongue is usually a light pink with a thin white coating. So no cheating, no scraping before you go to your TCM doc. But here's what different tongue colors may mean. A pale tongue could indicate possible blood or qi deficiency. Think low energy, fatigue, anemia, and that may or may not be severe enough to come up on a lab test. A red tongue could indicate heat in the body, so maybe inflammation, stress, or insomnia. Now, a purple tongue could indicate stagnation. Blood is not flowing smoothly, which can lead to pain, hormonal imbalance, or circulation issues. Okay, how about the coating and texture? Yes, there's still more we look at. That thin coating on your tongue is actually a reflection of your digestion and microbiome. Amazing. So, what does it mean if you have a thick, greasy coating? That could potentially mean that your digestion is sluggish, you have excess dampness, maybe too much sugar or processed foods. No coating at all could mean possible depletion, often linked to burnout or chronic stress. Cracks in the tongue could indicate digestive weakness or a fluid imbalance. One of the simplest practices is just to check your tongue first thing in the morning before brushing. It's like reading your body's daily report card. Now, why does this matter, you ask, for longevity? Your tongue reveals imbalances before they show up on labs, before or full-blown symptoms. This is the epitome of longevity, folks. It's like your body whispering instead of screaming. By paying attention now, you can make small adjustments that protect your health long term. More hydration, maybe, warming foods if you're pale or cold, cooling, calming foods if your tongue is red and inflamed, gentle movement and circulation practices if your tongue looks purple. Now for a bonus tip. One of my favorite practices is keeping a tongue diary. Snap a picture of your tongue once a week. Okay, one time per week, not every day, once a week. Over time, you'll begin to see patterns like how stress, sleep, or even your menstrual cycle affect your tongue and therefore your health. Your body is always speaking. It just has its own language. And your tongue is one of the clearest translators. Start tuning in today, and you'll find powerful clues, powerful to restore balance, energy, and vitality. I hope you found this helpful. If so, click the like, subscribe, and notifications bell and comment below. I'd love to hear what kind of interesting things show up on your tongue. Until next time, stay rooted, stay radiant, and beautifully balanced. Thanks for joining me.